When my family and I first moved to the city, we found that between the fast pace of life and a general lack of space, like a lot of urban gardeners, it was a struggle just to keep the plants alive. And this is the motivation that's led to designing a system that's essentially going to water itself. Over the past 5 years, we've carefully designed and tested a self-watering garden concept. We now want to take on the challenge of designing something for even smaller spaces, which is why we've developed the Glowpear Mini. The Glowpear Mini is a wicking bed system, so by simply filling a reservoir, the planter uses capillary action to draw that moisture up through the soil and into the root zone. This means that the plants have access to exactly how much water they need, and there's virtually nothing lost to evaporation or runoff. We created the Mini so that people can grow food in even the smallest of spaces, yet multiple units can easily be connected together to suit any space. The Glowpear Mini can be set up as a wall garden, on a balustrade as a hanging planter, or put it on the bench as a kitchen garden. The body is made with the highest quality UV stabilised, BPA-free, food-safe materials, and we've used a double-walled construction so that plants are insulated from both hot and cold conditions. We've designed the Mini to be set and forget so that people can get on with the best part of gardening, growing and eating fresh produce. Our planter is the perfect solution to growing food in an urban environment, and it's a system that can help us all to restore the vital connection to the food that we eat.
This is what fresh looks like. And this is what fake supermarket fresh looks like. Say goodbye to supermarket fresh and say hello to AeroGarden fresh. This is AeroGarden, and this is everyday fresh. No herbicides, no pesticides, always non-GMO. Who knew fresh could have no off-season? Who knew locally grown could mean 5 feet away? And who needs farm to table when you have plant to plate? With AeroGarden, grow delicious herbs and heirloom vegetables right on your counter, in a beautiful and sleek garden that's right at home in any kitchen. There's no sunlight necessary and no green thumb required. So you get the harvest without the hassle. AeroGarden has everything you need to get growing in minutes. Just drop in the pods, add water and plant food, and watch them grow. With our easy-to-use control panel, you'll always get the right light and no worries about when to add water or how much to feed. AeroGarden Fresh means all year-round natural fresh. You'll grow 5 times faster than soil. Watch it sprout in days, harvest in just weeks, and enjoy over and over for months. You can grow the freshest herbs, the tastiest vegetables, even the most beautiful flowers. There's an AeroGarden for every home and every budget. And AeroGarden makes a great gift with over 10,000 5-star reviews. Come see what everyone is talking about. It's easy, it's fresh, it's AeroGarden. So don't be fooled by fake supermarket fresh. It's not really fresh unless it's AeroGarden fresh. Get growing today with AeroGarden.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you? Dear nature, welcome home.
Plant factories represent a technological breakthrough in modern agriculture. No pesticides,